Hi, hello, good evening. So yesterday I went for one apartment for the something for tuition. So what happened? Yesterday I went with the normal dupatta with dress. I went. That security didn't ask anything. Maybe with me that owner was there, kid father was there. That's why he didn't ask her why, I don't know. So, while coming out yesterday, he didn't tell anything or he didn't ask me anything. Today, what happened actually? So, today I went with very well dressed. So, like this, tip top ಆಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೋದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನನಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೇರೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಟಿಪ್ ಟಾಪಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಚೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಫಾರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್. Bye bye. So from this, what you understand? Moral of the story: if you go anywhere, go with a well dressed. If you go anywhere, go with well dressed. Okay. No one will identify who are you, where are you from, but they will identify by your looks and your dress and how you are maintaining decency. Thank you. So this Ata guy is looking at me.